In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Photoshop. So I just have a layer here with some text on it, and what you can do is a lot of options actually. So you can come over here to the character area in your properties window, and you can go ahead and change the font, and it'll show you in real time what you want to choose. Just very simple ones, very designy ones, fancy ones, cursive ones. It's really up to you. So you can kind of pick any kind of font that you want. You can also download fonts, but that's a whole nother video. What you can do is change the color. So you can pick a color if you want. You can choose red. You can go up and down and really choose any kind of color that you want. I'll just go here and I'll just pick this blue here, and I'll just hit OK. And if you want to go even further, you can go down to the paragraphs section here. And what this will do is it will auto align your text depending on how big your text window is. So another way that you can edit text is what I was just doing. So if you have your layer here and you go over to the type tool here to the to the left hand side, you can click that, and then what you can actually do is you see the cursor and it has that box there. You can get closer and closer to your text, and then you can actually click and highlight your text. So we can just retype the word test. So you can actually go in and edit your text and add text if you want. So I can keep on adding text. You can delete words, you can add words to it, really anything that you want. And that's a very simple overlook of how to edit your text to what you want, how it looks, the color it is, and really anything that you really want it to be. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.